Boss, any comments for Mitsubishi Destinator? Sige, shout out to Chosen One. Shout out sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, for me, napaka-unique ng positioning ni Mitsubishi for the all-new Mitsubishi Destinator, no? It's bigger than an MPV, just like the Expander, while it's a bit smaller, just konting-konti lang, a bit smaller than a Montero or an SUV like a Montero. So, for its price, 1.3, 1.6, 1.9 million. Very competitive pricing for a big car for a family, and then hit sa features. All across your variants, you have 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, powerful enough. I've test driven it and I can say that I'll be comfortable, I'll be very at ease, kumbaga, with the engine para sa akin. I think the best thing about it is sobrang komportable talaga nung interior niya. Premium interior, napaka-excellent. Though you only have fabric seats for the mid and the base variant, though that could be easily fixed. Gagastos ka lang ng a little bit lang to have your leather seats. And then when it comes to the looks, to be honest, it kind of gives me like a Land Cruiser vibe dahil sa pagka-boxy ng kanyang design. That's just for me. Though, a little bit, of course, a little bit smaller than a Land Cruiser, but not too small na, like I said, it's bigger than an MPV. So for those who are very interested about the all-new Mitsubishi Destinator, kaka-upload lang nung variant comparison video natin, guys, long form na dun sa YouTube natin. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't yet. So sana nakatulong, follow for more.